this problem. Solve by using the zero product property. Okay, just like we explained in the previous video, we have a number here, and another number here. And we're going to multiply them. Well, when we multiply three numbers, like a, b, c, and when we get a 0, that means that one of these numbers have to be a 0. So we're going to be thinking about each case when this is equal to 0, when that is equal to 0, and when that is equal to 0. So let's just write down our equations. X squared is equal to 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0, and z plus 1/2 is equal to 0. Alright, and then just solve each of these equations. Well, when x squared is equal to 0, that means if we take the square root of both sides, we're going to get x is equal to 0. And for the y equation here, we add the 2 to both sides, we get y is equal to 2. And for this equation here, well, if we subtract both sides by 1/2, we get z is equal to negative 1/2. And therefore, this is going to be our answer. And that's why C, option C, is our answer. Well, let's look at several of the other options too. Well, the first one says x is equal to 1/2. This is just a careless error, where we are not looking at the same right variable, because 1/2 is associated with the z here. So that's wrong. What about B? Well, it's kind of the same reason. The 2 is associated with the y, and that's why there's no way x is equal to 2. Same reason for D, and that's why our answer to this question is C.